Start in tabletop position with your wrists in a straight line under your shoulders, knees under hips, and feet dorsiflexed. Create a stable shoulder position by screwing your hands in the floor in order to tuck your elbows in close at your sides. Keeping your spine in a neutral position, extend one arm with the thumb pointed straight up the ceiling while simultaneously extending the opposite leg. Hold at the top for a second, return to the starting position, and alternate sides. You will want to keep your back as flat as possible throughout the exercise.